Hi, welcome to this lesson on LeanFT. In this lesson, you will learn about automation of web applications. So we will be learning about how to identify the web elements using XPath and CSS locators, also by using the VRI. Then also we will see how to register the embedded browser control, then how to fire the events and execute the JavaScript as well. So let's go to the Visual Studio, and in this Visual Studio I have created one test. So for automating the web application, ensure that you are using this namespace hp.left.sdk.web, and to start the browser you have to use the syntax browser factory.launch browser type.internet explorer. So over here you can select other browsers as well, Firefox, Chrome, Edge, Mobile Center browser as well. So right now I'm using Internet Explorer, and then to navigate to the URL you have to use navigate method, and to find the objects inside the web page you can use this particular syntax browser.describe, and here you have to give the class name edit field. So if you want to find the edit field you have to use this particular interface, and then you have to give the description of that edit field. So here I am identifying the object using XPath, and this is the syntax to find the object by XPath. It starts with forward slashes and then the element tag name and its attribute and its value. Attributes are always prefixed by @ symbol. So after finding that edit box using XPath, we are setting the value in that. The value is XPath that we have set. Then we are trying to identify the same object by using the CSS selector. So you can see that instead of XPath over here we have a CSS selector, and the syntax of the CSS selectors is also different apart from the XPath. Like we do not have this forward slashes, and @ symbol is also not used before the attributes, and then we have also set the value in that particular edit box. Finally we have also identified the object using the visual relational identifiers. So over here this is the reference object. With reference to this object we will identify the edit box. So this label is their last name, and right in front of that label there is a edit box. So we are identifying the edit box using this last name label, and here we are setting that feature relation. So test object is E2, so this one, and the horizontal relation we are specifying horizontal feature relation dot left and inline. It means that this reference object is to the left side and it is in line to the object that we are trying to identify, and then after identifying that object we are setting the value VRI into that. So let us run this test and then see what happens. So what it will do is it will first of all find the edit box using XPath, then set the value in that, then it will identify the same edit box using CSS, set the value in that, and then it will find the second edit box last name using feature relational identifier. So over here it has opened that web page. So XPath CSS is found. It's found the object was XPath on CSS, and finally it will find the last name by VRI, and then test will end. So that is how we can use these various properties to identify the objects in web application. Now let us see how to register the web browser control, like embedded browser control in the Windows applications. For that, what you have to do is you have to go to this installation directory, where you have installed the LeanFT. Go to that directory, and then that you have to go to the embed directory, and then in the applications you will find there is one exe application called a setting new browser control application. Just double click on that, and then over here you have to give the path of the application in which there is a embedded browser control. So just browse and then give the path of that particular application. So after that what will happen is all the browser controls in that application will be identified as the web objects. So that is how you can register the browser control in various applications that you want to automate. Then let us see how to fire the events on the web elements and also execute the JavaScripts. So I have got one test created here for the firing the events, and what we are doing here is that we are finding the home link on the one web page and then firing the event. Click. So for that this is the syntax object followed by this method fire event, and then event info factory dot create mouse event info, and here you have to give the actual event. So instead of on click, you can also give other events like on context menu, on double click, mouse down, mouse enter, mouse leave, mouse out, etc., and then it will close the browser. So that is how you can fire the events in web applications. Now let us see how to execute the JavaScripts. So for executing the JavaScripts, we have got the special method called as run JavaScript on the page object. So this is the syntax for that. For executing the JavaScript in the current page, you have to use this syntax browser.page.run JavaScript, and here you have to give the valid JavaScript. So this particular JavaScript returns the inner HTML or the HTML source code of the web page. Then we are printing that one, and then to scroll to specific element in the web page, you can use this particular JavaScript window.scroll to. And then another JavaScript code we have executed, that is document.ready-state. So that is how you can use this run JavaScript method. You can pass any valid JavaScript code in the quotes, in that is in the argument, and then it will execute that particular JavaScript on the current web page. So we have seen all these particular topics in this particular lesson. Like we have found the objects using XPath, CSS, VRI. Then we have also seen how to register the embedded browser control, and then finally we have also seen how to fire the events and execute the JavaScript in the web page using LeanFT. Thanks for watching this video.
Hi friends, if you find this video useful, please hit like button, and for more videos, please subscribe to my channel, and also visit www.softforce.org for more tutorials and updated videos. Thanks for watching my video.